And we're back to exploring Generative Fill. Let me show you how you can easily expand any image. First up, go to File, New, and then set the size that you need. You can do so, for example, on the width and height. We make it 9020 x 9020, so we have a square. Then import your image, whatever you want to expand. In my case, it's pretty big. Well, let's just say you have a smaller one, something like this. Just use the selection tool. In my case, it makes sense to use the marquee rectangular tool right here. I'll drag a selection that leaves a little bit of the original on the edges, and then I invert it down here. Just left click on it, and you've got all of the white space in this little area of the original selected. Leave the prompt empty and just have it generate. As always, not all results work, but you can see that all of them at least blend with the original. You can use the same method for your YouTube thumbnails. So let me go back to this size, 9020 x 1080. I simply select the left hand side and right hand side, and I've got add to selection at the top selected as a mode for my rectangular marquee tool. Again, I leave the prompt empty. Only the white areas and a little bit of the original on the edges is selected. And now I could easily use this as a YouTube thumbnail, and it perfectly blends with the original. And this is how you can use Generative Fill to expand your images. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.